Good morning, everyone. How are you? I hope you are good. Today, we, the students of class 7th are presenting today's ESMP. Now, I would like you to join your hands and close your eyes for Gayatri Month. I would ask my friend Kaira and Rishika to share today's thought.
Good morning. My name is Kaira Tikku. I'm from class 7th E. So, the topic for today's thought is tigers. Protecting and saving tigers lead the way in protecting and saving humanity. So, my friend Rishika will tell you the meaning of this thought.
So the meaning of the thought is tiger occupy an important place on Indian culture. It has been a symbol of power, beauty and has been associated with the combination of strength, grace and enormous power. Has earned the tiger its place of national animal. So see the tigers, see the nation's pride. Thank you.
So I repeat my thought. Protecting and saving tigers lead the way in protecting and saving humanity. Thank you.
Thank you, Kaira and Rishika. And now, me and my friends Tista and Sharon will come to share speech based on Tigers Day.
Global Tigers Day is celebrated every year on 29th July as a way to raise awareness about this magnificent but endangered big cat. The day was founded in 2010 when the 13 tiger range countries came together to create TXP, the global goal to double the number of wild tigers by the year 2022. International Tigers Day, sometimes referred as Global Tigers Day, is an annual celebration organized to raise the awareness about the importance of tiger conservation. Governments, NGOs and citizens across all over the world organize awareness programs on that day to spread the significance of protecting tigers.
From ancient times, tiger was the subject of constant attraction for their beauty, size and sometimes mythically stories associated with it. Mass fascination of tiger is evident from the fact that tiger is still part of many national symbols and flags. Tiger images are also seen in prehistoric cave carvings and even worshipped across the world. Tiger is the largest cat species with dark vertical stripes on beautiful red orange fur.
In India, various organizations along with the government have been trying their best to restore tiger species. Tiger is the national animal of India and has significant position in Indian culture. Project Tiger is Tiger Conservation Program launched in April 1973 by the Government of India. Government has set up Tiger Protection Force to combat poachers and funded relocation of villagers to minimize human-tiger conflict. Other measures are reduce pressure of ecotourism by guidelines for tiger safaris and protect its habitat. Thank you.
Thank you for telling us about Tiger's Day. My friend Ritik is going to recite a poem on Tiger's Day for us.
Yes, day and night they fall like flies. One die, two die, and then 1,000 die. We kill them weekly, monthly, and yearly. Their number are falling. A howl, a cry, which represent a million voices. As one fall, the other fall. On the verge of dying, on the verge of being the last one, and on the verge of extinction. They need us and we need them. Thank you.
Thank you. Now, I request it to join your hands and close your eyes for Sanskrit prayer.
कृपया प्रार्थना की स्थिति धारण करें। ओम भगवते नमः। ओम सरस्वत्यै नमः। ओम पृथिव्यां नमः। ओम मातृभूम्यै नमः। हे ईश्वर, हमारा आज का दिन सभी प्राणियों की भलाई की कामना करते हुए उन्नति के पथ पर अग्रसर हो।